Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're off to New Jersey. Right after landing, I met up with my cameraman, and with no time to waste, we hit the road straight to Gundam Planet. I can already tell this trip is gonna be a good one. I won one of the giveaways last year, and that's when I started checking them out. From the pictures online, the store looked massive, but you know how photos can be kind of misleading sometimes, so I had to come see it for myself. Today we're at Gundam Planet at New Jersey. The owner, Nick, has been incredibly kind and welcoming, giving us full access to the showroom before it opens to customer at 2 p.m. First impressions, this store is huge. It's on another level. I've seen pictures of this place online, but being here in person, way better. You just don't get the same vibe through a screen. It's way bigger than I expected, and there's so much going on. Feels like it just keeps going. Rows and rows of model kits. This is the dream destination for any builder like me. You could get lost here for hours, and honestly, I wouldn't mind. There's a lot more to see, but I think it's time for you to meet the person who made this place what it is.
Hi, I'm Nick. I essentially run Gundam Planet with the help of a lot of other great people. You might see them behind me in the shot. But we are an import collectible hobby store that has been in business since 2010 in New Jersey. We've been here for the entire 15 years. Started out in Ridgefield, rented a couple warehouses, but now we own this building and we've been able to turn it into a very special place for Gunpla enthusiasts, anime enthusiasts, kind of a one-stop shop for everyone. So Sin was very nice enough to stop by and take a look, and I'm just going to show you a couple things that we're really excited about right now specifically, because not only did we just launch a brand new e-commerce website that is worlds better than our old one. If you've ever been on the old one, you might know the search didn't work. It works now. That's the thing we're most excited about. So you can find what you're looking for. We have all lines. We have Moderoid, we have Gunpla, we have Zoids, we have Kotobukiya, we have all of it. But aside from what you can get online and also in-store shopping, we also have another thing that we're working on, which is the Gunpla class. So we're gonna walk in here and you'll be able to take a look at what we have coming soon. Just keep an eye on social media, we'll have updates for it. But right in this way, we have 8 dedicated spray booths that people can come in. And we had a beginner class, we had an intermediate class, and we had another run of the beginner class just to iron out all the kinks, where we provide you model kits, we provide you the airbrushes, the tools, the spray booth, the ventilation, the instruction. We'll teach you how to remove seam lines, scribe panel lines, prime, paint, everything you need to do your first custom. And then we're also going to have advanced classes with guest teachers. So it is still a work in progress because the website was our main focus, but this is what you can look forward to in the future in addition to all of the offerings that we have in our showroom. So thank you very much for checking us out.
They've got everything here. Gundams, original mecha, licensed characters, Japan or third-party mecha girl kits, figures, blind boxes, whatever you're into, there's always something to catch your eye. Whenever I go to a hobby store, I like to take my time strolling through the aisles, even if I'm not planning to buy anything. Truth is, I'm just hoping to find something. You know, like everything feels like the one you want, but you can't take them all home. Some people go straight for the newest releases, some hunt for old kits they missed out on. I like to look for rare stuffs, and of course, I still keep up with the trends. I try to grab the new popular kits whenever I can. Have you guys ever tried masking these before? I've never built any of these Sangolden kits before. I've heard the masking can be a bit intense. With so many tiny curved details and single color parts, if you built one, let me know how it went. This is the flight unit for Gundam Aerial. The variety here is insane. I think it's way better than most shops in Akihabara. You can tell they really take the time picking what they carry, and their selection is seriously impressive. They've got tons of Witch from Mercury too, along with all the add ons. There's a session with some of the big kits, perfect grades, and the mega sizes. And this is the non-Gunpla session model kits. The non-Gunpla session has all kinds of kits, like Armacore, Macross, Machining Quega, Mashin Hero Wataru, Star Wars, Ultraman, and more. You can check out the full range on the website. These are some of the Kotobukiya weapons and add-ons. The 30 minutes mission accessories. And the 30-minute sisters. These kits are super customizable. I've actually built a bunch of these in the past episodes, and they're a lot of fun to play around with, especially since there are so many add-ons and accessories you can mix in. Some of the frame arm girls and girl kits. One of my early sponsors was a distributor for these third-party girl kits, and they were the ones who got me into building them. This exact kit showed up in one of my earlier episodes. What's your favorite 30-minute sisters?
I don't build this stuff.
Let's go upstairs. Up here we have all these anime collectibles and figures. From popular series to some pretty niche finds, there's a lot to take in. If you're into collecting beyond Gunpla, this floor is definitely worth exploring. There are so many displays, and honestly, a lot of this is new territory for me. I don't really collect figures myself, so I might not recognize everything, but it's still really cool to see all the variety. They've got statues in all kinds of scales, plus a wide range of action figures and premium lines. Figure Out Zero, Chogokin, Figma, Metal Build, Robot Spirits, the whole lineup. And if chibi's more your thing, there's tons to check out. Nandaroi's dolls, Figure Out minis, Ichiban Show, and it just keep going. Even if I'm not super familiar with all of it, it's clear they've put a lot of thought into how it's all set up. And for figure collectors, this place would probably feel like heaven. Spotted some Dragon Ball figures here, and yeah, I've actually got a little collection of these back home too. Have you guys seen this before?
Of course.
Here's the corner with all the figurize, and some of these boxes are huge. Honestly, a lot of these are 18 plus. Definitely not for kids. These are the Ramansion 150s, compact foldable backdrops for your 1/12 scale figures. They've got different scenes too, like Japanese interiors, urban streets, even some sci-fi. Super easy to use and fun to mix and match. Let's head to the warehouse. This area is usually for staff only, but today we got special access to check out the warehouse, not something that you get to see every day. This is a very organized warehouse. Inside the warehouse, you see boxes stacked from floor to ceiling everywhere. It's all very well organized, with staff actively managing inventory. Super efficient back here. Coming out of the warehouse, we're now in the paint room. This is the spot Nick showed us earlier. This is an amazing setup. If you have watched my previous Gundam Base episode, you probably noticed this paint room is a lot more pro than the one in Gundam Base Tokyo. Come check out some of these blind boxes. Star Wars Tamagotchi. Nick also surprised us with his full sticker collection and a Gundam Planet t-shirt for each of us. Seriously loved it. That's it for today. I picked up a Star Wars and a Spy Family Tamagotchi, plus a little Zaku for myself. The staff here are super friendly and helpful. I honestly wish we could have stayed longer, but they're starting to get busy. If you happen to drop by New Jersey, make sure to swing by the store. You won't want to miss this place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a mission with me. Until next time, keep building.